If you lost everything today, no money, no connections, no safety net. Most people think the problem would be cash. It's not. The real problem would be you wouldn't know where to start. And in the age of AI, that confusion is even more dangerous. Because now, the people who win aren't the smartest. They're the ones who move first with clarity. Right now, millions of people are trying to start something. They watch tutorials, they learn tools, they wait for the right idea. But here's the uncomfortable truth: information is no longer valuable. Execution is. And most people never cross that line. They stay stuck in preparation mode while someone less qualified builds something real. There's a pattern you'll notice with people who rebuild fast. They don't chase passion, they don't wait for confidence. They follow a system, a repeatable way to go from nothing a first dollar real business. So if I had to start from zero today in a world dominated by AI, this is exactly what I would do. The game has changed. You don't need years of experience, a big audience, or even a product up front. What you need is speed, clarity, and proximity to real problems. Everything else can be built or automated. Framework, the 6-step rebuild system. Step 1, find pain, not passion. Forget what do I love, ask what problem is painful enough that people will pay to remove it. People don't buy vitamins, they buy painkillers. Use this filter. What are people struggling with? What do they complain about? What are they already paying to fix? Then use AI to challenge your thinking. Let it interview you, let it expose your blind spots, because clarity doesn't come from thinking alone, it comes from friction. Step 2, build an offer, not an idea. Ideas don't make money. Offers do. A strong offer has 4 parts: clear outcome, what changes; risk reversal, why it's safe; objection killers, bonuses, urgency, why now. If your offer is confusing, people won't buy, not because it's bad, but because it's unclear, and clarity always wins. Step 3, find buyers, not followers. This is where most people fail. They build something and wait. That's not how this works. You don't wait for attention, you go find it. Ask yourself one question: who already has the problem I solve? Then reach out. Not once, not twice, but consistently. With AI, you can scale outreach, but the principle stays the same. Conversations create revenue. Step 4, sell through questions, not pressure. Bad salespeople talk, good salespeople ask. Great salespeople guide thinking. Your job isn't to convince. Your job is to help someone move from confusion, see clarity, see decision. Think of it like this: they're here, problem. They want to be there, result. Your offer is the bridge, and questions are the steps. Step 5, deliver value, fast. This is where trust is built, not before the sale, after it. The moment someone pays, doubt kicks in. Did I make the right decision? If you disappear, you lose them. If you deliver fast, you win them. This is called time to first value. The faster they see progress, the longer they stay. Step 6, move before you feel ready. This is the part nobody wants to hear. You don't need more learning, you need more action. Most people live in a loop, learning, planning, overthinking. But nothing changes, because nothing moves. The people who win start before they feel ready. Right now, someone is using AI to build lead lists in minutes, automate outreach, close deals faster than ever. Not because they're smarter, but because they started sooner. Meanwhile, someone else is still watching tutorials. Same tools, different mindset, different results. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: don't try to build a perfect business. Build a real one today, not next week, not after one more video. Start messy, start small. But start, because the truth is, your future isn't decided by what you know. It's decided by what you do when things are uncertain. And right now, this is the best time in history to start from zero, but only if you move.